Lesson 48, Reading and Writing Whole Numbers in Expanded Notation. Key question: do you know the names and the places of the places and a digit can hold, and the value that comes with it? So if we have a number that's just in the ones place, what is the value of that? What is the value of a number if it's in the 10,000s place? It's not just, let's say if I put a 7 there, it's not just a 7, it's 70,000. So we need to remember that whenever we are doing expanded notation. Additionally, another question that comes to mind is, what is the difference between expanded form and expanded notation? Expanded form, you're just going to simply write a number like 3,256 like this: 3,000 plus 200 plus 50 plus 6. But expanded form takes this to the next level, and it makes you break it down one step further. And so we're going to give you 3 different problems where you're going to be converting a whole number, or a standard form number, into expanded notation. So the first one is again that 3,256, and we're going to name that 3,000s plus 200s plus 5 10s plus 6 ones, like this. We're going to use parentheses in this version. In notation we use parentheses because we're going to write 3 groups of 1,000 plus 2 groups of 100 plus 5 groups of 10 and 6 groups of 1. And that's how you convert 3,256 into expanded notation. So from standard form to expanded notation. So we can see the value of each place in the place value line. So let's come down to 750,000. When you have all of these zeros, anything times 0 is 0, so you don't need to write it when you do expanded notation, but you do need to write the value of the 7 and the 5. So we have 7, and we're going to see how what the place is. This is your 1s, 10s, 100s. And then we're going to the thousands period, your 1,000s, 10,000s, 100,000s. So this is 7 groups of 100,000, and we're going to add that to 5 groups of 10,000. And that's all we need to do, because there are 0 groups of 1,000, 0 groups of 100, 0 groups of a 10, and 0 groups of 1. Alright, let's try it out with 5,600. Again, we don't need to write 0 1s and 0 10s. We're just going to focus on the thousands and hundreds. So we have 5 groups of 1,000 plus 6 groups of 100. That's all there is to it. So whenever you come to a problem like the red section here of 3 groups of 100 and 2 groups of 1, we know that we're just going to write 3 groups of 100. It skips straight over 10s, which tells you, or it should tell you, that there are 0 groups of 10, and then there are 2 groups of 1. So if it's skipping over a place value like that, you need to mark that with a 0. That's a commonly, and it should be a commonly understood thing in expanded form and expanded notation. Good luck on your lesson today.